Just edited all the videos and caught up, posted Ohio video. Now I'm finally going to Michigan. Just check the magazine that Jake's grandma lent to me. It says A is for Ann Arbor, and I'm in Ann Arbor. I like this picture, so I'm going to check out Nicole's Arboretum right now. So that's my first thing I'm going to check out in Michigan. It's raining, it's not the perfect weather, but I'll still go check it out since I'm here. It's pretty big and complicated, so I think I'll just start walking and see where the path takes me. Okay, this is a little bit different than what I expected. I was hoping to see plenty of those purple flowers from the magazine, but all I see right now is just some dirt. Maybe I just took the wrong path. Hopefully I get to those flowers eventually, because those look awesome in magazine. At least I'm able to see Cedar of Lebanon. I guess these trees are Cedar of Lebanon. That's cool. So many cedars of Lebanon. I'm thinking I might just not be here at the right time of the season. No, wait, but I should still see at least some flowers then, and not just green fields. I should at least see where they're planted. It wouldn't be impossible that these things turn into those nice looking flowers. Maybe I am here at the wrong time of the season. There is sun. Found another type of trees. These are tulip trees. They're pretty tall. To be honest, I didn't see any difference between them, but I don't think I paid enough attention to previous ones. I imagine that in the summer it looks awesome. I mean, now it looks awesome as well, but it doesn't look like in the magazine. These things probably blow up and are purple and pink like in magazine. It's confirmed I'm here not in the right season. I walked like 40 minutes in one direction, so I have at least 40 back. I found red pine tree, so another kind of tree. So many different kinds of trees. Now the question is, what are these trees that are not marked? I could not tell. I know that it's not a red pine because it has different thing. I don't know if it's a cedar or if it's the other thing that I saw. How about this? Oh, it actually has the tag. So, oh, it's a yellow wood tree from North America. Okay, maybe these ones grow to purple. I feel like that's the most realistic, or maybe these ones, or maybe all of them. Hypericum frondosum. So yeah, that's definitely the one. That's definitely the one. It sounds familiar. I actually feel really good after that walk, so I'll go to Planet Fitness and try to do the rowing machine for half an hour, which will be my record. Until now, I always did at most 10 or 15 minutes at a time because it was really hard. The guys in Ohio inspired me to do some more cardio, and I need to prepare for hikes on the West Coast. Getting pumped up with some Metallica. Whoa, as I was driving here, this desk came out. 45 minutes. That was a lot, not even sweating. Post-workout pudding. It's the first time that it happened. My battery is really low. It's not sunny and I haven't been moving much in last 2 weeks. Now I just have to start up the van so that my batteries are going to charge. This is the first time that I have to do this. You can see that get 34 amps into batteries. I just let it go probably for an hour or so. Going to check out the central campus of University of Michigan. That's where my friend Jack went to school for master's program. He suggested me a couple of things, so excited to check out those. It's a nice, beautiful, sunny day. Michigan Union, let's go check it out. It's just a bunch of study spaces. Michigan Union. on this side is better, so you can capture the whole thing. I was on the wrong side of the road earlier. I see a cool cube right there. This is interesting. I don't know what exactly this is. I feel like college campuses always have some random stuff like that. Just got asked by someone about where one of the buildings is. So maybe I look like I go to Michigan. I don't know. I had to consult with Jack to confirm where I should go. I'm about to go check out the quad, which is apparently famous for University of Michigan. These things might also grow purple soon. Actually, that's what I was looking for. I was already on the way back and I actually discovered now. Thank you, Jack, for the suggestion. The campus looks nice and the food was great. I'm going to Ford Draft factory tour. Michigan is huge on cars. Got recommended that by Linz. Excited to check that out. I think I start there and then Automotive Hall of Fame right there. Seems pretty exciting. That's not good. I think this is a sign that Michigan roads are dangerous. It's the first time that it fell on the floor. It's kind of sad. Hopefully they serve coffee because I could use coffee right now. The factory tour is sold out, so I just got a ticket for museum because the factory tour doesn't run tomorrow, so I guess I don't have a chance to see it, unfortunately. Confused why I was just in Space Museum. I thought this was car factory, but apparently I'm wrong. I really wanted to see the car factory, just now touring random museum. I am really confused what this museum is all about because there seem to be so many random things thrown together, like NASA and then some Game Boys and some Pokemons and then some tractors and now the electrical things. I have no idea what this is all about. I thought it would be just about cars, but apparently not. Maybe it's Industrial Revolution Museum, that's why so many bunch of random things. I've been to Wright Brothers Museum in North Carolina. Here are they again. I've seen this exact plane in North Carolina. I mean, not this exact, but taking the same thing. There are some cars still here. This is the only thing that makes sense to me. Sucks that I couldn't get into a factory because I think that would be really worth to see how cars are manufactured. Instead, I got to see this random museum, which was fun, but also kind of out of context, I feel like. It was good to see the first camper van though. I'm going to check out now Automotive Hall of Fame. Maybe not. I would have to pay separate entrance fee, and I feel like I'm not too big of a car enthusiast to spend so much money on entrance fees today. If that was the only thing I was going to see, I would be happy to pay, but since I already paid for the museum that I didn't care too much about, I think it's enough. I am not completely sure what else to do, so I think I'll just go meander down the Detroit riverfront. It is freezing, so I ran a little bit. I saw earlier that there is a good spot where you can see to Canada. And Canada is right there, if you see the flag. And this is Detroit, and this is me. Just the river separates me from Canada. All for Michigan. I think I didn't do much in Michigan because it's really cold here and there is no sun, and all other stuff that I got recommended is kind of really far away, so I decided it's not worth it. I'll just start my drive towards Indiana. Michigan was a lot of fun, but I wish it was warmer and sunnier. I also wish I could go see the car factory.